a sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find my peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray, 'cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry, you bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain, it heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through this struggle me not complain, 'cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. No sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight, 'cause love is strong. Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on, 'cause this love will never done. And sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true. Jah bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love, forever flow from above. Oh yeah. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers soft, future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again. After hurt, after strain, don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend, from Kingston town to Berlin land, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight. Oh, no, 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 no. Born in the fire of a stolen land. Chains on your feet, but strength in your hand. They tried to break you, tried to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall. Yeah, they can steal gold, they can steal a crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remember what you're fighting for. Yeah, yeah. Rise up from the sky. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, moyo imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Who will fight for the youth them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Hey. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Mama Africa twisting, we coming home, yeah. From Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name, through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper, Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again.
the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drum beat of the earth. Find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul. Hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, but truth will stand and fight. Emancipate your mind today. Don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul. Hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, Jah light will lead us home. Oh. Hey, nah, yeah, still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenton to Soweto plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flow in you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide with soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall.
still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're raw once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom, right? Me see a light shining bright from Jam Mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. God bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We're one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Hey, sunrise over Zion, oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Hey, oh, Mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky. We never alone, we never alone. Live your voice, live your soul. Zion fire make we whole all together. Hey, Jah Jah bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion, no hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Hey, rise, my brother rise. Sunshine heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't the highest skies.
Highest skies.
Herbal vision.
Herbal vision.
Open up my mind.
Open up my mind.
See the world so pure, so divine.
So divine.
No more chains of Babylon's lies. Let the smoke rise, let the truth rise. Babylon judge what they don't understand, breaking nature with their wicked hand. But the healing of the nation is real. In every leaf, just love we feel. Let it burn,
For the sick and
blending blind.
let it free the captive mind.
This is no crime, this is Jah design. A natural law over man-made line.
Over my
Oh, natural law over man-made line.
over my
Herbal vision,
herbal vision.
open up my soul.
Open up my soul. Whoa. Over my mind. Over my mind. Over my mind. Over my mind.
Oh, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah. I wake up to the morning light, though the world is cold sometimes. I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love light in my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. They offer gold to buy my dreams, silver crown and selfish schemes. But I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Yeah, Jah. Through night and day, keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stay, I will pray. Jah guide my way. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers
echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough, yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. God bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. You see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Umoja, unity forever. People rise together, together. From Kingston to Accra, one love, conquer all. Drum beat up, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart. Roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town song. Sunset over Trench Town, burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh.
Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, steal the right, but from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change pan we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trench Town to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No. Shut down Babylon.
Shut them down till the morning comes.
Stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains upon we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in the morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle, me find me peace. Inna the storm, me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah, thank you Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love me everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution. Breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make. Every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above. Me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, rebel of love, hear me call. Jah guide, we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, hope in your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat of the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still up on every street me see. Them build it tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we're chanting out the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch a track. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Love lead the one drop revolution. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need.
Rise up, youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind.
Jaja rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution.
Shake the ground, write your song all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution.
One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Drop revolution,
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no,
Drop
no.
revolution,
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no. Beat of the drum.
Ah,
Oh, out of the people.
revolution come,
Oh.
peaceful but equal.
One drop forever.
Jah guide his people, yeah.
Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call my name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling, I'm a dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, yeah. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's side. Ah, oh. Oh, lion roar.
For the children of Zion once more.
Oh, rise, oh, lion rise. Let your fire light up the skies. Oh. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, me whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving all the moonlight under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so.
Whoa. Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. With you, me flying high above every loss.
No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on smiling at the moonlight. Soft reggae play, your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight.
Love so right,
Love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, yeah. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace. Bring me peace. Walking barefoot on the sand. Waves are clapping like a band. Friends are laughing, fires warm and bright. Singing songs beneath the moon tonight. Oh, no chains on me, just harmony. Love and rhythm set me free. Storm may come, but I will stay. With the sunshine guiding my way. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Mama cry, drum beat echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh.
nights feel cool and long. Jumbo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, when people, when life beat them down. Yeah, Mama no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own. It's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lake. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one not one world forevermore. Jah light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Oh, rise up, yeah. Rise up, yeah. Rise up. The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we all up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say, history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand. Me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh, Mama Africa, your drum beat till truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rises in the mountains, it flows through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride. The freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Trenchtown Plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train. Alaba, don't you delay. Justice come fi light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still Jah drum beat inna them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train.
Do you hear it? Yes, I hear it. Do you feel it? Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name.
I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, yeah. And every man, woman, and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom, ride on, ride on.
Freedom train is rolling.
Take the children home.
No one left in the streets alone.
From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Freedom train, can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride. Freedom train, choo choo. Ride on, ride on.
Freedom,
Freedom come,
freedom.
no more chain. Ride the train.
Freedom, freedom.
Oh, yeah. Da, 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 da. Oh, nah. Oh, yeah, oh, voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit. But I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on show. But I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Oh, yeah. Let the drum beat carry you away. Let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Oh, hearts too can be warm. Oh, yeah. Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver to the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right. Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn. Roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, my ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots, roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer jackal. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break the spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yes. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside, even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warriors stand with pride. Jah warrior, stand tall. Carry the roots, carry them all. To Zion we call. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama humming ancient song. Say, old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain.